Number 1. Number 2. Number 3.
Hi guys, I'm going to introduce you this amazing product. When you are using it, it doesn't make sound, and also when you are using it long time, it's not getting heat. And it has here USB part. You can charge it just in 2 hours. Very fast. It's very convenient and useful. And here it has different kind of heads that you can use it with your needs, with your nail needs. And I use it for a long time and I really recommend it to you. It's very useful.